Tsukiji Market is a district adjacent to the site of former Tsukiji Wholesale Market. It consists of a few blocks of wholesale and retail shops as well as restaurants and food stands along narrow lanes. Here you can find fresh and processed seafood, snacks, desserts, and produce alongside food-related goods such as matcha, whisks, and knives. A visit to the Tsukiji Outer Market is best combined with a fresh sushi breakfast or lunch at one of the local restaurants, or even just a tamago on a stick. Some days the market opens at 4 o'clock in the morning, and other days it starts at 10, so I would check the internet before coming just to make sure. Because most of this fish is served and sold at Tsukiji Outer Market is delivered directly from Toyosu Market, this is one of the best places in Tokyo to enjoy fresh seafood. It was nice that the market wasn't nearly as crowded as our previous visit, but since Japan just recently opened its doors again, I suspect that it will start to get packed again. I definitely suggest taking advantage of it while you can.
I don't know how they sell it by.
So Wednesday, roman table. What are people waiting for here? Let's see. Ooh, corn fritters.
Fish cake.
I do want to try more of Japan's fruits though. Dude, look how pretty. Do you know how big these look? These look like peaches.
Like $20.
Wow. So there's a lot. Oh, thank you. Beautiful. Dried scallops. These are very nice. Look grouchy to you?
Doesn't look happy.
Order please. King Club. One.
So we were told if you ever see a line, just get into it. And apparently there's a line right here. I don't know what it leads to, but oh, right here. Oh, they're making tamago. All types of flavors. Ever since we got in line, look how much longer it got. Dang. Anyway. Only, yeah, okay. Looks so fluffy. Wow. Okay, that really was $1 only, or Japanese.
$1. Is it?
Didn't you just give them 100 yen?
Yeah, 100 yen.
Yeah. So okay, so in US it'd probably be like 80 cents or something. No, 68 cents now. I told Michael I was only gonna eat one bite, so we didn't have to get two. Gotta save room. Okay. Oh, good.
Would you wait in line for it again?
So fluffy. A little bit sweet. Would I wait in line? If I was really craving, you know how they get you? There's a sugar and there's sweetness in here. And you know how you get, I don't know, doesn't have like a chemical reaction when you eat sweet? I'm gonna take another bite. Okay. That's good for me. It's so warm and nice.
Line wasn't that, it looked long, but it was pretty quick.
It moved so quickly.
Really good.
Yeah?
More sweet than anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never had it like this before. It almost tastes like a dessert.
Yeah, like a popsicle?
Yeah.
Would you get it again? Okay. Yeah. Homie, if you were to come back.
Yeah. I think it's overrated, maybe.
Yeah. On to the next.
Check out these Wagyu skewers with uni on top. Isn't that crazy?
So So just like a lot of Japanese food markets, this store specializes in dried stuff. It's really cool. You can see things that you've never even seen before.
Cucumbers.
Where are they? Ooh. This probably increases your libido or something. Can you see it? Are the goodies we got? Yes. How much was it?
1,000 yen?
1,000 yen for both?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
It's like less than 10 bucks.
Okay.
This is ponzu with it.
Again, Michael wants his white children.
Little ponzu on it. Sauce. Ooh.
Oh, stirring it
Look, it
up.
looks like little brains, right? It's packed full of semen. Mmm. It's good. It's fresh.
Is it just as you remembered it?
What is this? Soy sauce?
I don't want such a big chunk. Okay, that's good. You can see. How do you make it clearer? Will it?
It'll be clear when you see it. You're dripping everywhere.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see like the little veins. I don't know. Ooh, but all in one go. Mmm. That was so creamy and sweet and tastes so fresh.
Damn, I want one now.
Damn. You wanna get one then?
Should I get one?
Oh, by the way, you can get them. There's like 3 different prices for 3 different sizes. So small, medium, and large. Large being, I think it was like $6 or something, right? But we got the small one because I wasn't sure if I really wanted a huge oyster right now. But that was good. Michael, you gonna get one?
Yeah.
Okay, back again. Point of view of the vendor.
After seeing how delicious Juliet's oyster was, I need to get my own. I went a little bit extra and got mine topped with uni.
Soy sauce too.
Wasabi, you want wasabi?
Yeah. Did you think I needed it?
Yeah. What do you want?
Yeah, I eat the uni first.
Okay.
Mmm, super sweet. Dude, this is good.
Is it really good?
Super sweet. Yeah,
Okay.
no,
Let
and
me
fresh.
try a little bit.
Right?
Yeah.
It's so sweet.
Good. Not as plump as the Santa Barbara uni, but still really good. Did you eat the oyster yet?
I'm eating, I'm saving it right now.
Okay, eat the big mama.
Good, good.
Yeah, it's good. All right, there's another line here. Let's see if we want to get into it. Sometimes it could just be hype, you know? But, oh, this one's sauce. Is it?
It's like skewered.
Oh, okay. Oh, they look kind of gray and weird. Here's what they look. It's so hard to choose which sashimi restaurant you want to eat at because they all have the same pictures, or at least they look the same. So you're almost overwhelmed by the options, but let's see. There's like a whole bar counter seating. That was the smallest alleyway ever. And we got that back out. See, look, they all look the same. I can't even tell what's good or not. We were here last time and we got the scallop. It was good.
Yeah, it was good. You want to get it again? Oh, strawberries. Are these real ones? I don't think they're
No,
real.
it's not real. Yum, yum, yum.
Leave them in the sun.
Yum.
Oh no, these are the real ones.
Oh, right here. Well, I kind of,
They're so like glistening.
these are so good.
It's like a bunch of these stores aren't really open right now, but Maybe we're just here early, right? It's like 10 a.m. right now.
Yeah.
But look at this cool temple right here.
Where?
Out of nowhere.
Oh. I didn't notice. Today's Culture Day, supposedly. So they give free entry to a lot of museums. So we might take a look at the list and see if there's anywhere we want to go. Culture Day. Oh, it's November 3rd, by the way.
Which it comes with both. It's squid legs and fish cake.
With fried fish
You
cake.
get the best of both worlds. Right?
Oh, cool.
They have banana juice. I'm curious, how do you juice a banana?
Oh, these are like the, what is that, the mochi daifuku? Strawberry daifuku. That's so good. Oh my gosh, and their melons are so freaking delicious. They have a little thing of grapes. So we've been standing in line for an hour maybe,
Oh, they all look pretty good.
but I looked it up and it has good reviews, so I'm gonna give it a try. We just got in a random line with people waiting in it.
We followed our noses again and we got came here.
All our nose.
Or our eyes for the line. What a cool little table, right? Okay. So this is the chutoro? Otoro. Is that the fattiest?
That is. Tuna is graded by the quality of the cuts of meat obtained from fish. You have the prize toro, which is the fatty belly of the tuna. It's then divided into grades, which are distinguished based on the marbling of the meat, much like in grading beef. The most valuable toro is otoro, the fattiest part of the belly, which comes from the underside of the fish close to the head. This is the part that literally just melts in your mouth. Then you have medium fatty tuna, chutoro, which is both meaty and fatty, that comes from the belly in the middle and back of the fish. I was so happy to get both of these parts as part of my lunch set. In addition to your meal, you also get a cup of miso soup. We didn't get a chance to get a shot of it, but it was different than other miso soups that we've had as it had a deeper flavor. It was a darker shade of brown and it had a bolder flavor than usual, probably due to a longer fermentation process, but it complemented the fattiness of the fish so well. I'm gonna give it a try. Final thoughts about that restaurant. That was so good. So there's no meat, just pure, fish. Just fish and sashimi, right?
Yeah.
I forgot. Oh my god.
It was. I got. There's like two types of things you can get. You can get the one they grill for you, or if you get the donbori, it's like pre-made. There's 2 floors, so they bring it down so the fish is already kind of the toro is already grilled. I would recommend getting what Juliet got. It's kind of a set. It's raw, and then the waitress brings it over and she cooks it. She cooks the first one for you, kind of to test it out. Yeah. And then she figured it out.
And it comes with these little plates of toppings that you can put on there. So mine, it was like a vinegared green onion. I had 3 plates of that just to top off my fish, and it was just so good. You just lightly sear both sides of the fish, and yeah, I think mine was cooler than Michael's.
No, it tasted better because the one they brought down is like kind of pre-cooked.
Yeah.
So it was a little bit too smoky, and then it didn't taste as fresh. But it was really good though. Still.
So Michael got the most expensive one for his donburi, and then mine was the second best one, which was perfectly fine because I think the top one had like 7 pieces of fish, and I think that would have been way too much since we already had little snacks.
Between the both of them, it came out to be about 7,700 yen, and that's like $50.
$52 US, yeah.
And that's with like toro and uni and ikura. Like
maybe
the most decadent bowl ever.
We should do it at the same time, whether or not we would like thumbs up or thumbs down, whether it's worth a visit. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess from what we were saying, we could already tell, but ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Worth a visit.
All right.
If you enjoyed coming along with us today, we'd appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Also, if you're wondering how to enter Japan with the updated requirements, we'll link the video down below. Thanks and see you soon.